My name is Rohitashwa Pant. I am Senior Vice President, Industri 4.0 Accelerator team in KUKA. So I think for manufacturing companies, there are two main changes. One is their product will get more intelligent. It needs to be able to sense its environment and provide additional data that the customers of your product will want. That's on the product side. I think within your shop floor itself, as you realize that you have different machines which are getting intelligent, a key part of your activity within the shop floor will be how do you connect up these different machines and get additional data so that you can get additional insights about your own manufacturing process. We see typically three areas that are our focus when it comes to digitalization or Industry 4.0 for robotics. One is that we would like our robots to be connected anytime, anywhere, over any screen, which would ensure that our customers get access to basic functions like asset management, can connect up our robots directly to service management systems, and also get additional connection to expat or knowledge management systems. Because once we have the observed data, we are then in a position to apply new technologies like machine learning and also perception technologies to ensure that we can also automate fairly complex tasks at a lower cost. The third element for us is when you talk about Industry 4.0, it's always linked to IT-OT connection. And what that means is to be a truly Internet of Things world, we need to be able to access and talk to a robot in the same way that we talk to other web services. This would ensure that we can then drive improvements in factories securely and at scale and with the right speed that the customer wants. A huge list of things that could change with digitalization, but the key message is at the end it's still the same business. You want to produce more of something at a cheaper cost and if possible with better quality.